Hi, it's Mark from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. Mammoth spoke, fat spoke, king spoke, whatever you want to call it, wheel. Okay, as you can see, beautifully made wheel. Black hub, black spokes, black rims. Very easy to keep clean, obviously. You could actually paint these black as well if you wanted the whole thing black, but I think it looks pretty cool having the chrome spokes. Available up to 26 inch. This one here is a 10.5 wide, which means you can fit your 300s. Enormous great thing, as you can see. And as you can see here, it's got spokes, but with having this rubber stuff stuck all over it, officially this tire is this wheel is tubeless, so you can use tubeless tires. Personally, I like to stick a tube in as well, just to be sure. But available in black and chrome. That's black here, and chrome here. Or this one, as you can see, black spokes, black rim, black hub, or all chrome. Available from customcruisers.com, alternatively customcruisers.eu. Give us a bell, we're in England, so no VAT duties, shipping charges or hidden nasties, or if it gets damaged you aren't screwed. It's 01773 835 666. If you've got a Milwaukee 8 bike, we have got a new website, customcruisers, all one word, .eu, and the old one, customcruisers.com. Thank you.